Hi, I'm Elena, VP of Marketing at LeadDelta. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our customizable templates, send bulk messages, and what are the limits you should know about. Let's get started.
Stop writing the same message over and over again and simply save your work for whenever you need it. Let's go over our template section. Here's a list of our default templates. We have written a few for you so you can get going and have an idea of what those templates should look like. You have the option to edit each of these default templates and customize them further according to your needs. So let's take this one for an example. First of all, you have some of these tokens right here, which are meant for personalizing your message. As you can see, you can personalize the message with the first name, last name, and company name. However, what you see in these square brackets are only placeholders and they should be changed accordingly. They are here to give you an idea of what you should write, but please make sure to change this before you actually send a message. Once you save the template, this is how it's going to look like. If you don't want to see your default templates, you only want to have your own custom ones, you can hide those templates and then of course show them again later. You also have the option to change the number of items per page if you have more than 10 templates. Here, you can search the template by name, duplicate or edit, or delete the template. If you want to start building the template from scratch, you have the option of adding one here. And now, let's see where those templates can be used. First of all, you can use them in the inbox section. We will discuss that in more details in one of our next videos. Besides inbox, you can send templates in bulk from the connections page. Please be aware that 25 connections at once is the maximum you can send with one bulk action. You can repeat the action, but not immediately. There should be a delay between bulk actions, and then of course, keep in mind that you should be careful how many bulk messages you're sending in total. The number of bulk messages will mainly depend on your overall LinkedIn usage, so keep that in mind before you decide to repeat the action. You can send a bulk message by changing the number of items per page to 25 and then selecting all contacts you want to message. After that, you can select the template you want to send out. As you can see, it's very easy. Once you send this out, you will be able to see those messages in the LeadDelta inbox and of course inside your LinkedIn inbox. If you want to message a single connection, simply click on this message icon. The system will redirect you to the inbox page where you can see if you already have a chat history with that person. Here's the template option in the inbox. Here, you can choose which template to use.
Thank you for watching. For more information, check our website at LeadDelta.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support at support@LeadDelta.com. Thank you.